Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on or off location services on Instagram step by step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store and search for Instagram. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version, because some options may not appear if you're using an older version. Once the update is complete, open the Instagram app. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the 3 white lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From here, scroll down and tap on Device Permissions. Inside the Device Permissions section, you'll see the option for Location Services. Simply tap on it, and from here, you can easily turn location access on or off depending on your preference. And that's it. This is how you can manage location services on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.